This is Teacher Jeanette, and welcome to Math Ayos! For today's lesson, I'm going to show to you the PMDAS or GMDAS step-by-step process. But before we will proceed, let's try to learn first what does PMDAS or GMDAS stands for. So for PMDAS, P stands for parenthesis. The M stands for multiplication. So D stands for what? For division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. For the GMDAS, the G stands for the groupings. So when we say groupings, this means that the numbers are grouped using the parentheses. So that's grouping. So M, of course, for multiplication. The D, that stands for division. And the A stands for addition. And the last, the S, stands for subtraction. Following the PMDAS or the GMDAS rule, these are the steps in solving it. Number 1, you are going to solve first what is inside the parentheses. Number 2, the multiplication and division. Now, since there are two operations, you are going to solve first the operation that comes first. If multiplication comes first before division, then you have to multiply first. If division comes first before multiplication, then you have to divide first. For example, 3 times 4 divided by 2. So in our example number 1, multiplication comes first before division. So we are going to multiply it first. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then divided by 2, so the answer is 6. Now in our example number 2, division comes first before multiplication. So we are going to divide first. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then times 3 equals 15. Now, for the step 3, you are going to solve the addition and subtraction. Now, since there are two operations, you are going to solve first the operation that comes first. If addition comes first before subtraction, then you have to add first. If subtraction comes first before addition, then you have to subtract first. For example, 5 plus 2 minus 3. Addition comes first before subtraction. So therefore, we are going to add first. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then minus 3, so the answer is 4. So for our example number 4, subtraction comes first before addition. So we are going to subtract first before we're going to add. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Then plus 2, so the answer is 7. So let's have example number 1. That is 25 plus 2 times quantity 8 minus 5 divided by 3. Now, following the rules, what are going to solve first? In the step 1, we're going to solve first what is inside the parenthesis or what is grouped. So we will going to solve first this 8 minus 5. So we will just copy this one. So to copy the 25 plus 2 times you solve 8 minus 5. So that is 3. Then divided by 3. Then what will you solve next? Is it multiplication or division? Since multiplication comes first, so we have to multiply first. So we're going to solve this 2 times 3. So copy a 25 plus 2 times 3 is 6. Then divided by 3. Then what will you solve next? In our step 2, that's multiplication, division. So we're done with multiplication. So we're going to do the division. So copy the 25 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So therefore, 25 plus 2, so the answer is 27. That's now the answer. For our second example, so we have this example. Now you notice that they are grouped using this one, the parenthesis. This one is the what we call bracket, and this one is the what we call brace. Now, what are we going to solve first? Now, in solving like this, that they are grouped, you are going to solve first the one that is grouped, the inner group. So, we are going to solve first the parenthesis. So, we are going to copy this one. So, 5 times, just copy everything. We have 6 minus this bracket, then 12 divided by, then solve this one. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then copy again the bracket, then plus 4, then the brace. Then after that, what will you solve first? So we're going to solve next this bracket, the one in the bracket. So that is 12 divided by 3. So just copy 5 times, you copy this one. So 6 minus, solve 12 divided by 3. So that is 4. Then plus 4. Then the brace. Now, you notice that inside the brace, there are 2 operations, minus and subtraction and addition. So, what will you solve first? Since subtraction comes first, so we have to subtract first. So, copy 5. So, 6 minus 4 is 2. Then, copy the plus. And then 4. Then the brace. Then what will you solve next? Is this one. So 5 times 2 plus 4 is 6. So therefore, 5 times 6, so the answer is 30.